join me as I dive into the world of Tron Crypto and see if I can turn a small investment into some serious cash in 2024. Tron is definitely a cryptocurrency that's been gaining traction in 2024, and for good reason. Its potential for profitability is undeniable. With its unique features and growing user base, it's no wonder investors are taking notice. I'm sure many of you have dabbled in the world of cryptocurrency before, but if you're new to the scene, you might be thinking, wait, isn't crypto super risky? Or isn't Tron just another flashy new coin that's gonna crash and burn? I get it, those are valid concerns. But the truth is, a lot of people are hesitant to invest in Tron or any cryptocurrency because of misconceptions or a lack of understanding. Some think it's only for tech-savvy individuals or that it's just a fad. Another challenge people face when investing in cryptocurrencies like Tron is the fear of volatility. We've all seen the stories of people who invested in Bitcoin back in the day and made a killing, but then there are those who got in at the wrong time and lost big. It's enough to make anyone hesitant. And then there are the concerns about security. With all the hackings and scams out there, it's natural to worry about the safety of your investment. But here's the thing, with any investment, there's always some level of risk involved. The key is to understand the market, do your research, and make informed decisions. And that's exactly what we're gonna do in this video. Tron, in particular, has some unique features that set it apart from other cryptocurrencies. For one, its transaction speed is incredibly fast. We're talking about seconds, not minutes or hours like some other coins. And on top of that, the fees are super low, which makes it an attractive option for everyday transactions. But what really gets me excited is the potential for investment. With Tron, you can earn passive income through something called super representative nodes, which is basically like being a digital landlord. You invest in these nodes, and then you earn a portion of the block reward. Another major draw for Tron is its rapidly growing user base. More and more people are jumping on the Tron bandwagon, which means the demand is increasing. And as we all know, when demand goes up, so does the price. It's simple supply and demand economics. And let's not forget about the partnerships. Tron has partnered with some huge companies, which is only going to increase its legitimacy and value. I want to share a personal success story with you. I know a guy who invested in Tron back in 2022 and made a killing. He didn't get in at the ground floor, but he did his research, timed the market just right, and held on for the long haul. He ended up making a 10x return on his investment, which is insane. What's even more impressive is that he didn't just get lucky, he used some key strategies that I'm gonna share with you in a minute. So, what were some of the strategies this guy used to make his profit? First, he did his due diligence. He researched Tron, its founders, and the community. He didn't just jump in blindly. Second, he diversified his portfolio. He didn't put all his eggs in one basket. And third, he held on for the long haul. He didn't get caught up in the day-to-day fluctuations of the market. To recap, we've talked about the potential of Tron as an investment, some common misconceptions or challenges people face when investing in crypto, and some key strategies for success. We've also looked at some of the unique features of Tron that make it an attractive option. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, I hope this video has given you some valuable insights to take away. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any thoughts on Tron or crypto in general, please let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrency investment tips, be sure to check out my next video.